So today I will be trying the new open source voice cloning to see how accurately it can imitate my voice. I have to say this is a little bit concerning because in today's age you can no longer trust anything. So today I will be trying the new open source and this is the thing I wanted to read. It's like a bunch of tongue twisters. Let's give it a try. Let's select English. And I have a GPU that's been assigned. We just have to wait a little bit because this is on the website, but you can run this locally as well. And it's going to be around 30 seconds. There we go. That was pretty fast. Let's see what it's going to say. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather, better. Okay, that's pretty good. That does sound a lot like me. What do you guys think? There were definitely paid options to this before, but now you can basically run this for free and clone anybody's voice. A little bit scary.